Hi everyone, hope all of you are fine. Now, we are going to continue with our question towards example number 1, 6.5. It was saying, a particle is projected with a velocity of 196 meters per second at an inclination of 30 degrees. And we are required to find Roman 1, the greatest height, and we found out that it is 490 meters. Roman 2 was to find the time of flight and the range on the horizontal plane of the point of projection. So, we saw that Roman 1, maximum height, was 490 meters. Then Roman 2 required us to find the time of flight. We found out that Roman 2 t was 20 seconds, and we are required to find the horizontal range through the point of projection. Our R was 3,395 meters. Now, we are going on Roman number 3, which was requiring us to find the velocity and direction of motion at height of 130 meters. So, Roman number 3, we want to find the velocity and direction at 130 meters. So, if my vertical velocity, I'm going to consider, remember we are going to get our velocity from this triangle of velocities. If this is my vertical velocity, Vy, and the horizontal velocity, Vx, I'm going to get the resultant of Vy and Vx, which will give us this triangle. Vy and Vx. So we want the resultant velocity, which is V. Now, my Vy is the vertical component of velocity. Remember, we are given the height of 30. That one is going to act as my S, from V squared is equal to U squared plus 2AS. This is my vertical velocity Vy, and this is the initial velocity, or the velocity of projection. This A is acceleration due to gravity. So, for vertical motion, we know that our acceleration will be negative, which means I'm looking for Vy will equal to, we are dealing with vertical motion, which means our U is 196. Remember, we had 196 as the initial velocity of our velocity of projection. So, sine 30, which is the angle of projection, minus 2 times 9.8. 9.8 is always constant, times 130, the height which was given in the question. So, you place your calculator very well. We shall get V squared equaling to V squared (196) but this velocity is squared. 196 times sine times sine 30 you get the final answer of y will be Vy is equal to 84. That is the vertical component of velocity. So, you get the horizontal component of velocity. This horizontal component is Vx. Remember, we can get it from V is equal to U plus T. But we said that acceleration in in horizontal motion is always 0, which means this component will be 0. So we get Vx as U, which is 196 cos 30, which will give us 98 root 3 meters per second. Now from this triangle, you get V, the resultant velocity. V will be given as Vy squared plus Vx squared under a root. So you get V is equal to root of 84 squared plus root of 98 root 3 squared. Our V will equal to 44. No. V will equal to 198 meters per second. Now, if you are required to find the direction, still you can get this angle, the angle between these two, the V and the horizontal. We can get it as remember we have V, which is the opposite, and Vx, which is the adjacent. We can get it from tan. The tan of that theta is equal to Vy over Vx. You have Vy and Vx from your calculations. So you get theta as a tan arc tan of 84 over 98 root 3. You get theta as as 26 degrees. That is the direction. The angle is, or the direction is 26 degrees from the horizontal, and the velocity is 189 meters per second. Altogether, that is the solution.